So here we are starting the exercise 4.1 from chapter number 4, simple equation. Okay, so here what is the, please take out your book, what is the exercise 4.1? Question number 1 says complete the last column of the table. Complete the last column of the table. So here in your book exercise 4.1, complete the last column of a table. So here serial number is given, then equation is given. Okay, then after values is given. Like this a column is made, isn't it? And you have to fill the last column, that is here. Say whether equation is satisfied. Satisfied, yes or no. That is what you have to do student here. क्या करना है यहाँ पर? हमको इस इक्वेशन में सीरियल नंबर, इक्वेशन, वैल्यूज, वेदर इक्वेशंस इज सेटिस्फाइड यस और नो आपको सेटिस्फाई करके बताना है. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज अवर फर्स्ट सीरियल नंबर, दैट इज इक्वेशन इज x plus 3 is equals to 0 and the value of x is given as 3. ठीक है. क्या इक्वेशन हमारे पास x plus 3 is equals to 0 है, जिसमें x की वैल्यू क्या पुट करना है, 3 पुट करना है. So let's put what is the equation we are having. The equation is x plus 3 is equals to 0 and what the value of x we have to substitute. The value of x is what? The value of x is 3. So that value we have to substitute here. So what is the value of x? That is 3. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 0, isn't it? So 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. So 6 is equals to 0. Whether LHS is equals to RHS, LHS is not equals to RHS, isn't it? So what the answer is? It is not satisfied. समझ आया क्या है? Why it is not satisfied? Why it is so? It is not satisfied because its LHS and RHS both are not equal. That's why it is not satisfied. ठीक है. If LHS and RHS both value we will get the same, that means it is satisfied. We will write over. Next we are having second part of it. That is again the equation is x plus 3 is equals to 0 where x value we have to substitute as 0. So what the second part equation you are having, x plus 3 is equals to 0 where x is equals to 0 you have to substitute the value. That means x की जगह पर कौन सा वैल्यू रखना है, 0. So 0 plus 3 is equals to 0. So 3 is equals to 0. Again it is not satisfied. Why it is not satisfied? Because LHS and RHS are not equal. Its LHS is not equals to RHS. That's all. Clear everyone? समझ आया कैसे solve करना है? A column is being given, an equation is given, and its value is given. You have to substitute that particular values of the variables in the equation, and then you have to see that whether LHS and RHS is coming same or not. If it is coming, if they are not coming same, that means LHS is not equals to RHS, it is not satisfied. If LHS equals to RHS, that means it is satisfied. मतलब वैल्यू जो दिया हुआ है सेकेंड कॉलम में उसको आपको उस इक्वेशन में पुट करके सॉल्व करना है, तब जा करके LHS और RHS इक्वल आएगा कि नहीं वो डिपेंड करता है क्वेश्चंस की वैल्यू पर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट अगेन वी आर हैविंग द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ इट. x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, where x is equals to value is given as minus 3. सेकेंड पार्ट में वैल्यू क्या पुट करना है, थर्ड पार्ट में उसके x is equals to 3. Okay, so x is equals to, sorry I said 3 na, it will be minus 3. So x is equals to minus 3 you have to put in place of x. So here minus 3 plus x plus 3 is equals to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 will be get cancelled over there. So it will become 0 is equals to 0. Look at here, LHS is equals to RHS. LHS की जो वैल्यू है वो RHS के बराबर है. Hence it is satisfied. So you are going to be write as yes it is satisfied. Clear everyone? So here many questions is being given. Okay, like from question 1 to question number 11 parts are given. Try to solve all the parts with your own. If any doubt is there, please ask me through the WhatsApp. Clear everyone? Next question we are going to see question number 2. Just wait for 2 minutes. So here we are starting the question number 2. So what the question number 2 says? Look. Question number 2 says, check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given values or not. That means a particular equation is given, okay, and their values also given. As we did in the question number 1, in the same way we are going to do. In that also equation is given and their values is also given. We have to just apply that values in the equation and we have to solve. So in the same way the question number 2 we are going to solve. So what is given? Let's see. So what is the A part of the question given over here? N plus 5 is equals to 19, where n value is equals to 1. ठीक है? N plus 1 is equals to 19 दिया हुआ है. n के प्लेस में क्या पुट करना है? 1 we have to substitute. Now look how to substitute and solve. So equation we are having is n plus 5 is equals to 19 and n is equals to 1 we are having the value. So what we have to substitute? In place of n we are going to put 1. So here n, that means 1 will come, 1 plus 5 is equals to 9. So 1 plus 5 is how much? That is 6. 6 is equals to 9. So whether LHS is equals to RHS? No, LHS value is not equals to RHS. Hence again we can say that it is not satisfied. Why would we say it is not satisfied? Because here in the question it is asked that check whether the values given in the bracket is a solutions to the given equation or not. That means it is not satisfied, isn't it? Or we can write that n is therefore n is equals to 1 is not a solution for n plus 5 is equals to 9. ऐसा लिखिए. समझ आया? Next part, second part of that question, B part. What the B part we are having, student? That is 7n plus 5 is equals to 9, where n is equals to minus 2 we are having. So what the equation we are having here? The equation is 7n plus 5 is equals to 19. And what is the value of n? We have to substitute. That n is equals to minus 2. We have to substitute. Where we have to substitute? In place of n. Okay. Now look how to substitute. What the equation we are having? 7n plus 5 is equals to 19, where n is equals to minus 2 we are having. Clear? Now 7n in place of n we are going to put the value of n, that is minus 2 plus 5 is equals to 9. Since in between 7 and n, 7 और n के बीच क्या है? Into है. That's why we had kept this negative value of n is equals to minus 2 in a bracket, since it is a negative term. So the bracket means what? Bracket means multiplication. So 7 will be multiplied with the negative number, that is minus 2. So 7 into minus 2 will be how much? Minus 14 plus 5 is equals to 9. Clear? Now subtracting the number, what we will get? Here by subtracting the number, minus and plus. Minus plus 5. So minus and plus will be minus itself. So 14 minus 5 is how much? Understood? What the answer will come? Minus 9. Because 9. Understood? Then why it is coming minus 9? Minus 9 क्यों आ रहा है? Because 40 is a greater number than 5 and whichever number is greater, that sign comes in the answer. अगर ये 5 बड़ा होगा 14 से तो प्लस होगा, but as we know that 14 is a greater number than 5, so whatever the number is greater, that sign comes in the answer. So what will be the answer here? Minus 9 is not equals to 9. So since LHS is not equals to RHS, isn't it? As it is not satisfied. If it is not satisfied, thus we can say that n is equals to minus 2 is not a solution for 7n plus 5 is equals to 9. Clear up to here? Now after that it, then rest of the part try to do with your own. Okay. C part. 7n plus 5 is equals to 19, where n is equals to 2 we are having over here. Clear? What we have to do? We have to put the value of n in is equals to 2. So here 7 into 2 plus 5 is equals to 19 we are having, isn't it? So 7 into 2 will be 40. Since 7 is a positive number, so it will become a positive plus 14. Okay, positive number will come in the answer. Now 14 plus 5 is 19 is equals to 19. 19 is equals to 19. So LHS, you can see here LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is yes satisfied, isn't it? If it is satisfied, therefore n is equals to 2 is a solution for equation 7n plus 5 is equals to 9. Clear up to here? So here our question number 2 is over. We will see the next question, question number 3. Clear everyone? Have you understood? If any doubt is there, student, please ask me through the WhatsApp. Now D, E and F part is left, that try to do with your own. Okay. Now the next question we are having third question. What is the third question says? Solve the following equation by trial and error method. This method you had already studied many times in class 6 also. Chapter number 6 you had studied it. So what is the question number 6? 5p plus 2 is equals to 17. So by which method you have to solve? By trial and error method. Okay, you have to utilize this method for solving the question number 3. Now look how to solve in the trial and error method. Trial और error method में कैसे solve करते हैं वो देखते हैं. ठीक है. So here we are having the equation p plus 5p plus 2 is equals to 17. This is the equation. So we will going to create one box for it. Okay. Here we are going to write the values. Then in the next one we are going to write the equation. Okay. Now here equation is what? 5p plus 2 is equals to 17. And values that means here what the alphabet we are having, that is p. So its value we are going to see as 0, p is equals to 1, p is equals to 2, p is equals to 3. Okay, like this we are going on putting. That means तब तक put करना है value जब तक उसका value जो है वो LHS equals to RHS ना आ जाए. So इसी method को trial and error method बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So let's see whether it is coming p is equals to 0. So we are going to put the value of p is equals to 0 in this equation. So 5 into 0 plus 2 is equals to 17. So 5 into 0 will be 0 itself. Then 2 is equals not equals to 17. That means p is equals to 0 is not a solution for this equation because LHS is not equals to RHS. That's why. Second, p is equals to 1 we are having, that is 5p plus 2 is equals to, we are going to substitute the value, isn't it? So in place of p we are going to put 1. So 5 into 1 plus 2 is equals to 17. So 5 into 1 is how much? 5 plus 2 is equals to 17. 5 plus 2 is 7. Seven is not equals to 70, isn't it? That is, ये जो value p is equals to 1 है वो not satisfied है. That means it is not there. Okay, next we are having p is equals to 2. So again we will put the value p into 2 plus 2 is equals to 70. So p 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Again 12 is not equals to 70. फिर से equal नहीं हुआ. That means this also invalid. Now next we are going to put p is equals to 3. Okay. Then we will see whether LHS is coming to RHS or not. So here in place of p we are going to substitute the value of 3. So p 5 into 3 plus 2 is equals to 70. Now solve this equation. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 70. Here we can see that LHS is equals to RHS. isn't it? Here LHS value is 17 as well as the RHS value is also equals to 17. Therefore we can say that, therefore x is equals to, not x, it is p. Okay, p is equals to 3 is a solution for the equation 5p plus 2 is equals to 17. This is the trial and error method. Have you understood what is trial and error method? In a trial and error method, you have to substitute the value, and that value you have to take according to your wish. And remember that, student, it can be a positive as well as it can be a negative numbers. That depends on the equations. Okay, since in these equations, every time we had taken a positive numbers, it might be some other equation or question, you have to take the negative number. So if while putting the positive numbers in the equation you are not getting the solution, then try to put the negative numbers. ठीक है, अगर पॉजिटिव नंबर्स रखने पर, वैल्यूज पुट करने पर आपको वैल्यूज आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, LHS इक्वल्स टू RHS नहीं आ रहा है, तो आप नेगेटिव नंबर्स पुट करके भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ मेथड इज सेड टू बी a trial and error method. Clear everyone? So here question number 3 is completed. Now next question is write equations for the following statement. It's a very simple equation. Only just a statement is given. That statement you have to convert it into a mathematical form. एक statement दिया हुआ है, जिस statement को आपको mathematical form में convert करना है, mathematical equation में. ठीक है? So look how to convert that. Question number 4. First, here the sum of the number x and 4 is 9. Sum means additions between which two number? X and 4. So the equation will be x plus 4, and here it is clearly written is. Is means equal to. Is means equal to होता है. Is equals to how much it is given in the statement, that is 9. So x plus 4 is equals to 9 is the equation for this. Second part, 2 subtracted from y is 8. Subtracted, that means what? Subtracted means minus होगा. From, that means suppose two numbers are there. Okay, x subtracted from 8. So the second term will become the first term and the first term will become the second term. That is x minus 8 will be there, like that. फ्रॉम के जो बाद वाला नंबर है वो फर्स्ट आता है, एंड जो फ्रॉम के बिफोर वाला नंबर है वो सेकेंड में आ जाता है. ठीक है, सो हियर व्हाट इज 2 सब्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम y is 8. सो द स्टेटमेंट विल बी y minus 2 is equals to 8. This will be the equation. Third one, what is the third one we are having? 10 times a is 70. 10 times means multiplication. Remember, जहाँ पर भी word times आता है उसका मतलब होता है multiply होना. ठीक है, so twice, thrice, we know that ना, that is multiplication only. So here 10 times a is 70. So 70 into a, that not 70 into a, here it is said 10 times, isn't it? So 10 times a, that is 10 into a is 70. So it will be 10a is equals to 70 is the answer. Clear? Then next we are having fourth, the number b divided by 5 gives 6. Fourth part, what we are having? The number b divided by 5 is gives, gives मतलब देना मतलब equal to के बाद आएगा. ठीक है, so 5 divided by 6 is equals to 5 divided by b divided by 5 is equals to 6. We can write this number as b upon 5 is equals to 6. Both are the having the same value or same meaning. ठीक है, next fifth part we are having here. What is the fifth part we are having? 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 मतलब 3/4 into t is equals to 15. Next we are having 7 times m plus 7 to get 77. So in this way I have given the solutions up to the fourth question, student. Okay, so in this way only read the question very carefully and write the answers. Next question we are going to do in the next class. So for today, thank you everyone. All the best.